Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday the 26th, 2025. We're doing a hardwood 𝐼𝐶𝐞, which is that service right there. And this client found us online, so our reviews, testimonials, booked on the spot. Came out here about a month ago, got our deposit, put 50% down, and just put this house in the market. And we're gonna screen it, recoat it to make the floors look improved, which looks like that. And she's excited, guys. Again, before we get started, don't forget to hit the bell on YouTube, subscribe, follow us on Facebook. All right, let me show you what we're doing. We got Bridget on the scene helping us as well today. There's a common red oak, on-site finished, 3/4 thick, and she's going with a satin sheen with an amber look. And I told her this is our process to make it look improved. She did not want to go through a full sand. She said, Ryan, just make it look improved, because that's what we're doing. She already has somebody who wants to buy it. So this is like a historic home in St. Louis area. And you can see it's has a lot of character. A little bit of water damage, a little bit of missing poly, things like that. She's going to fill these wood spots, and she was okay with the water damage. She said just coat it. Got a little bathroom area here as well. And yeah, it's gonna be a good one, guys. So again, this service does not replace sanding. This is just a screen, recoat. We're gonna do an aggressive screening and then recoat it with our amber colored, oiled, water-based polyurethane. And it's gonna look great. And got this hallway here. You can see how this needs a little attention, right? And got this area here. We're not going to do steps, but let me show you what we're doing up here. This is where we're going to start. So we got this area here. You can see how it's just missing stain, missing color. So this right here, we're going to try to do a small color correction. It won't be perfect, but it'll be improved. She's going to paint this floor white. This little hallway. And this bedroom area. So yeah, guys, this is what we're doing. It's going to look, a little closet area here as well. It's going to look improved. Now, dude, I did tell her the floor definitely needs to be sanded. There's a lot of water damage. Losing luster, top coat degeneration. So, and also you can see chop marks from their belt sander back in the day that looks like they did it themselves. But yeah, this floor definitely has been neglected and worn. And again, I did recommend a sand, but they didn't put the money into it. So we're just going to do an aggressive screening and recoating to make the floors look improved. And she was 100% okay with that. That's what she wanted. This is a fraction of the cost of sanding. Same day service, and she's back in business. So that's what we're doing. This is gonna be a good one, and stay tuned for results. Hey, let's go.
Open the door, let the light in. Hey, you're clean. It's where we
All right, guys, little update. We got this screened aggressively down. Looking good. We got Bridget edging now, as you guys can see. And we aggressively abraded this floor. You can see just the polyurethane dust. It's looking good, guys. Before you floor it, then 𝐬𝐻𝐫𝐫𝐢 restore it. All right, guys, little update. We are downstairs doing the living room area. We got a good cut going on. These floors are being abraded really nice, as you can see. Client's gonna love it. Not too bad out there today in St. Louis. Nice little temperature out there. Going good, guys. Again, if you need a service, reach out to us. 𝐬𝐻𝐫𝐿𝐶.com. Again, this is Dustless. We're only taking off the protection. It's done the same day. No odors. You can walk on it. 2 hours. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, I'll give you a tip. When you hire an amateur or an unprofessional, this is actually, if you guys see, this is drum marks from somebody who sanded this floor. That's an amateur job, guys. When you sand a floor, you're supposed to make it flat and not leave shot marks. That's what that is. Wow. But overall, it's going good. We're getting some good abrasions. So you guys can see, we're getting a good cut. This is before. This is after. And it's going to look good. Wow. Stay tuned. Alright guys, little update. We are finished screening. We are finishing up some corners and edges with a palm sander. Then we're going to tack it and then prep this floor for the first coat after we water pop it. So it's going good. This floor is going to turn out great. We did a little demo upstairs and this client's going to love it. So stay tuned.
Let's restore it. Let's refine. Cleaning your floors.
Alright guys, we're rolling the poly now. It's an oil modified water-based poly. Side the sheen. Client's gonna love it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we just laid the first coat with that beautiful amber look. Satin sheen's gonna flash off. It's still wet in areas, it's drying, but man, these are beautiful. Alright, hey, let's go.
We've been the best, locally owned.
Alright guys, you can see we're laying the polyurethane now. This is a water-based finish, satin sheen. And guys, the client's gonna go crazy. She's gonna love this floor. We're excited for her. All right, guys, stay tuned. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, that's the second coat. Looks beautiful. Another happy client. Same day service. Hey, yo, let's go. Hey guys, right here at 𝐬𝐝 Cleaning. I'm with my client, Marsha. We are in St. Louis, Missouri today. I took care of her floors. We did a screen and recoat on her beautiful hardwoods, on-site finished. And guys, let me tell you, she is blown away. She wants to leave me an overall experience with the review. Without further ado, take it away, Marsha.
This floor looks amazing. I wish I would have found you guys earlier, like when I first bought the house, because I was going to have it sanded. And this is just so much better. There's like hardly any mess, right? And like, it looks amazing. It looks amazing. So I recommend 𝐬𝐝 Cleaning for any job, anytime, anywhere, any place.
Awesome. We appreciate that. And again, enjoy your beautiful floors, and we appreciate the opportunity to serve you.